up, Bike World? Behind me is my Rebel 1100, and today we are going to install my Quadlock wireless charger. Let's do it. USB waterproof wireless charging head, a couple of wires. We're gonna use the longest something one over here that Quadlock really did great. Like, as you can see, this is the C socket going through the wireless charger. Actually sealed, so it's actually really waterproof. Quadlock installed with the dampener over here. We're gonna remove it using the Allen key that was with the kit. We're gonna mount this charging head with actual longer screw so it can go through here in the dampener. Make sure this is aligned because there's a power button here, and the actual socket is right there. Here's my 1100 Honda Rebel. As we all know, we have a USB type C to C. We're gonna remove this so we can have a wireless charger. Of course, it doesn't come with C to C, so we need a A to C converter from Amazon Basics. Tools. First, we need an Allen key to open this panel of our Honda 1100 screwdriver in case we need to open that part so we can wire it up over here. First, we're gonna remove this using this Allen key. It's pretty easy. There you go. As you can see, it's pretty naked now. We're gonna wire it up there, going through there. There you go. Voila! Easy peasy. Let's check. Ooh, so here's the Amazon converter. We're gonna use it here now. Plug it in. All right, and this one's going through here, going there, so we can put the A USB. This is when the laziness kicks in. I scoot it over here so I don't have to open this, so I don't need the screwdriver. But if you want to use the screwdriver, you may do so, but not me. I snake it over here. As you guys can see, I managed to take it out over here, snaking it over here without opening this. But I guess I have to go through here so I can go underneath here. I mean, I can go above over here, but I want to be more secure, so I'm gonna open this since I got the Allen screw. Same procedure. That's out. Oh, look at that. We actually have a bracket, so we can put it here, which is perfect. We actually go through the bracket. There's another bracket here that we can just loop this, and then we don't have to really use any Ziploc at all. You can see it is nicely looped over here. It's hidden, it's clean. I don't have to use any zip tie. There you go. Time to test it out. If it lights up, it works. See the green light? That's the blue light. When I press the button, that means it's on. So all that hard work, holding the tummy up, breathing deeply and making sounds will be useless if this thing doesn't work. So let's try it out. Oh, it doesn't come in. Oh, there you go. Let's press the button. It works. Put Quadlock wireless charger in your Rebel 1100.